Look at this beautiful cat. She's calling me. Come. Yes? Hello. You're so friendly. You just call me. Come up here. Let's see. Let's see. Come. 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 Now I see you walking towards me. I say, what's wrong? Ma'au. Ma'au. You know, ma'au is the language. So, like a word for the cats to come. It means come here. But you have to say it in a specific tone. Ma'au. Ma'au. Yes, okay. Ma'au. Ma'au. Here comes another one. Ma'au. Okay. Okay. Come, please. Come. No? Yes. You were right. You were right. You were right. Smile for the camera. I come every day almost to see these cats. They're amazing. Peaceful. Don't like to get bothered much. Only the ones that they really trust. But hey, I tell you something. Even cats have different characters.